Y'all, this wig is 100% glueless. How glueless? There is absolutely nothing holding this wig down. No spray, no gel, no got to be, no mousse, no nothing. I did absolutely nothing to this wig, okay? It came pre-plucked. The knots were pre-bleached. This lace right here, y'all, ladies and gentlemen, a good lace.
Alright, so jumping right into it, this unit comes from Xrsbeauty. I ordered a large cab lace frontal unit. Here are all the loads of goodies that I received. Now, the difference between this unit compared to any other unit is the lace. Here's your typical brown lace. It's perfect for deeper tones. And then you have the lace that I typically gravitate towards, which is transparent lace. It's perfect for lighter tones, and you can always tint it to match your skin. And then you have what Xrsbeauty offers, which is their new clear lace, which is perfect for all skin tones. No lace tint needed, no makeup whatsoever. Super thin and durable. And I just wanted to compare all three for you guys so that you all can see which would probably be best. For me, I would definitely say the clear lace takes the cake. It wins. Like, come on, you guys see it. It's super clear and thin, but it's durable. So here is the unit. It comes pre-bleach and pre-plucked. That hairline is everything. So all that I really have to do to this unit is just customize it to my liking. The hair is super full. It is a 200% density unit, so that is a super full unit. But my whole thing is I'm not going to use a band for this wig, and I'm going to remove this little thing. I don't even know what they call it, the little buckle latch. I'm going to remove that because I will not be using any glue or spray to install this unit. So I want to remove the latch buckle, and I'm also going to remove the combs. This will allow the unit to actually sit flush to my temple and on my hairline, so that the use of glue, adhesive, or things of that sort is optional. Typically, I do add bands into frontal wigs, but I won't be doing so because I want to show you all, like, listen, this unit can be worn without glue. And I'm just trying on the unit to make sure it fits, because one of my issues is that frontal wigs do not typically fit my hair or sit on my hairline well enough for me to even install. So I'm showing you all my 22.5 head circumference can fit this unit. Definitely grab one of these wigs, y'all. I'm just saying. So here's the unit. All I did was add a middle part to the unit, and I did use some makeup to define that parting, but that was it. I didn't bleach knots, and I did not pluck this wig at all. Look at it sitting on my head. No glue, no adhesive whatsoever. Oh, wait, I didn't even cut the lace yet. What? The lace is super invisible. I didn't even realize I didn't cut it yet, but okay. So yeah, so I'm showing you all the hairline on the unit. It's giving very much scalp and natural hairline. Super nice. I am going to cut the lace off, and I'm going to use my little shears that you can find on my website just to cut some sections into the frontal. So I'm cutting my sections 1, 2, 3. And I'm using piking shears. I'm going to use piking shears to cut off the lace because these serrated blades give like a very nice pattern where it's not just like a straight line. It's a groove that just allows for more of a blend and less demarcation with the lace. No matter how thin that lace is, honestly, piking shears are the best. I'm going to use this brush that you can find on my website as well, and I'm using this to use some powder foundation just to help that lace blend a little bit more, as some lace can give off a white cast. I didn't experience that with this lace, so this is optional. You don't have to tint your lace if you get it from Xrsbeauty, of course. If you're getting a clear lace wig, you won't have to tint your lace. But I just did so as it's my normal routine. I am a creature of habit, so I decided to do that. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I had to do to the unit. As you guys can see, it's laying just fine. Now, the only issue, voila, yeah, go ahead. Okay, so now the only issue with installing your wig without any lace adhesive spray gel or anything of that sort is that the flap by the temple will sometimes lift up. Now to combat that, you could add in some mousse, a little bit of lace gel. I'm showing you guys here how the lace just blends. Okay, it blends a lot, but you can add in just a little bit of spray and adhesive just to tack down the lace, but it's not needed. As you guys can see, this lace is completely invisible. I will have a link down below along with any coupon codes. Thank you all for watching. Bye.